JAJA and MITO'S world.
Yes, kids, welcome on you. Today,
We're gonna make
we're gonna make what?
a rainbow
Walking
water.
water. So
Rainbow walking water.
what we need are
Each water, paper towels,
yes, cups.
plastic cups.
How many
and
plastic cups we need?
7.
7 plastic cups, and then 3 colors. What
and
colors?
then red, yellow, and blue.
Yes. So our first step is to fill the plastic cup with
Water.
water.
Tita Martin can do it before
I'll do it for you.
Mito, do it.
Then you pull it
After, so
after. Okay,
I will
let's
fold
do it.
I'll
Fill
fold it.
this plastic cup with water alternately. Alternately, kids, huh? Okay, alternately. Okay, almost. Oh, just one more. This is it. Can you follow, Jaja? Can you follow? What's happening? So, filming is done. So what we need
And then,
to do next is to what, Jaja?
Coloring.
We fill this cup with red color. Both end. Yes, used to say red color. Red color ink. Same here. For us to produce a
And
rainbow
Tita
color.
Martin, can you put
Next.
the yellow one right
Where?
here?
Right there. Okay. So you put this yellow ink. This portion.
That's enough. That's enough.
That's enough. That's enough. Next, the blue one. We're going to place for this
Just
blue
like
one.
that.
Oh, this one. For this blue ink.
I'm done with mine, so let me put it.
Wait. You need to fold it first.
Huh?
Okay, so we have the red color, the yellow one, and the blue one. And the other side is also red. Wait! You must listen. Told you. Oh, you fold it first. You fold it first.
That's already folded, so let
Okay.
me fold it for
Oh,
you.
you fold it for me. I'm going to place this one here. Okay. You fold it first.
Hey, this is broken right here.
No problem. Just fold it. Just like
That's
this.
okay. That's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, just like this. And fold it in the middle.
I'm done with
Fold it in the
mine.
middle.
I'm done with mine.
Oh, you about this one. You also
That
fold
too?
it. Fold it and then
Let-
at the
Like
middle
this.
portion you fold it again. Okay,
I'm done.
done. And then you
Put them.
fold it this one. By pair. This one. You place it here. Then you place it there. Oh, careful. Careful. Hey, careful. Hold you careful. And then this one. Careful. And then the other one. The blue and the empty one. Next. Another. This one. You do it. Careful.
Let me do
Blue and
it.
the empty one. And the last one.
Is
The empty and the
red.
red one.
And
See,
we're-
kid? Oh, no.
Let's wait for 30 minutes.
No, we need to wait for at least 3 hours to complete this
Minutes.
activity.
Just like that we did
See you later,
earlier.
kids. See you later.
Welcome back to JAJA and MITO'S world. Here is our review. What red and yellow mixed to orange? green and blue. Yellow and blue mixed with green. Red and blue mixed with purple.
So what happened?
That's Roy G. Biv.
That's Roy G. Biv. So, here's how it goes. We are going to explain them the capillary reaction about the plants. See, just like this one, we add water, and then this plastic pet bottle connected into a small cloth, just like this one. Oh, this piece of cloth absorb the water, and then it passes through this thing called roots, absorbed by the roots, and then
It's hard by the root.
yes,
Yes.
and then
And then
it transport into a
it
trunk
transfers
to the leaves.
to the leaves.
So it's called capillary
Action.
reaction. So that's it
Capillary
for today,
reaction.
kids.
Kids.
Oh, you learned something?
Tell it again. The
Kids.
rainbow color. What is
So-
the rainbow color,
Kids.
kids?
Roy Biv.
Good. So
Capillary
It's bye-bye time?
reaction. Bye-bye, kids. Learn some funny side things. Please watch our video, subscribe. Please don't forget to watch our video, subscribe. Bye.
yes, bye kids.